Meta interest in ML being into open source. We're going to talk about the open source. Nvidia,
Markets rattled. $1 trillion wipeout in US tech stocks. Nvidia's $465 billion crash, the largest single-day loss in history. But at the center of it all lies a disruptive force, DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup that is challenging the status quo in AI development.
The markets are very much trading with a degree of hesitancy from the monetary policy point of view about when and if we're going to cut rates again. The market's been very much on hold. And then you could say the fiscal side as well for tax breaks, for Trump tax cuts. What is that exactly going to look like? That's very much uncertainty. And then we have earnings coming up as well. Then you throw this Chinese DeepSeek on top of it, calling into question all the money that's been spent on GPUs, and was a Chinese company able to do it for a fraction of the cost? We just got this news over the weekend. This thing's been out since December, I guess. It's too early to tell. It's too early to tell.
DeepSeek's success wasn't an overnight phenomenon. Their models have been evolving publicly for years, with contributions from leading researchers who openly publish their work at major conferences. This transparency has fueled their growth and global attention, but it's also a double-edged sword, opening them to both acclaim and skepticism.
The claim that DeepSeek trained their R1 model for just $6 million is misleading. That figure represents a single training ground using 2048 Nvidia H800 GPUs. Building a world-class AI model, however, requires multiple iterations, extensive experimentation, and data processing. At the cost of assembling and maintaining infrastructure, and the real investment likely exceeds 10 digits. The GPUs alone are an investment of 50 to 100 million US. Moreover, DeepSeek's backers, a large Chinese investment fund, have access to far more than 2048 GPUs. This is a well-funded operation, not a lean startup.
DeepSeek's R1 is built on a mixture of experts, or also known as MOE architecture, a method that activates only a small portion of the model for any given task. MOE models are faster and more cost-efficient than traditional architectures. But while this approach isn't new, French firm Mistral and others have explored similar designs, DeepSeek's implementation is one of the most effective we've seen to date. Their success is the result of continuous improvements and years of experimentation that preceded them, not just a single breakthrough. What makes or breaks an AI model isn't just architecture, it's the data. DeepSeek has been vague about their data sources, sparking speculation. Did they scrape it? Did they replicate top-tier models through reinforcement learning? Either way, acquiring, cleaning, and processing data is a resource-intensive task that demands significant compute power. Their claim of low cost doesn't fully account for these hidden investments.
DeepSeek claims to have avoided using Nvidia's most advanced GPUs due to US export restrictions. But sanctions and trade embargoes have a history of being ineffective against large, diversified economies like China. It's entirely possible that DeepSeek accessed advanced hardware indirectly, whether through partnerships or gray market channels. As traders, we need to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. It's important to note that DeepSeek's R1 is not an all-purpose AI model. It excels in reasoning tasks, but lacks the versatility of broader models. For instance, it's not optimized for multilingual applications or general-purpose AI tasks. This specialization limits its immediate applicability in many industries. DeepSeek isn't just shaking up AI, it's raising red flags on censorship and data privacy. Reports suggest its API censors politically sensitive topics, and its terms state user data is stored in Chinese servers. That's a major surveillance risk. If TikTok sparked controversy, this could be far worse. So, what does this mean for traders? First, this disruption has created volatility, and with it, opportunity. While DeepSeek raises questions about US tech's competitive edge, history shows that innovation often follows disruption. Markets adapt, companies adapt. There's a silver lining. Efficient models like DeepSeek's could expand the market by making AI development more accessible. This isn't the first time US tech has faced a challenge, and it won't be the last. Policymakers are already reassessing strategies to maintain a competitive edge in AI, from tightening export controls to boosting domestic innovation. And remember, even as markets react emotionally to news like this, the fundamentals of US tech remain strong. earnings, innovation pipelines, and global influence haven't disappeared overnight. Disruption breeds opportunity. DeepSeek may have rattled markets, but it's too early to call this a paradigm shift. The US tech sector has weathered storms before, and this could be another catalyst for growth. Stay informed, stay ahead.
Hi, it's Todd from tradinganalysis.com. Thanks so much for watching. Listen, my team and I have so much to share with you in terms of our technical analysis, our fundamental analysis, portfolio management tactics, trading in and out, maybe options, sector rotation. Let us know what's most interesting to you. Maybe drop that in the comments section and we'll do our best to work it in. Also, consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we put out new videos. And finally, you can check us out at tradinganalysis.com if you'd like to see us manage our real portfolios in real time. Thanks again for watching.